You know what? I am real sick and tired of saying hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm mad because I just recorded the whole first part of this video and it deleted. So I'm gonna catch you up. Most of the products that I'm using are for oily skin because I got some oily skin. I noticed in a lot of my pictures I just look hella greasy and I didn't like that, so I needed to switch up my routine. I started off with the CoverGirl clean matte pressed powder oil control, and I wish you could have seen the before because I'm looking matte already. But anywho, my skin was exfoliated, cleaned, moisturized, and then I just got my beauty blender and dabbed that all into my skin. So yes, CoverGirl clean matte. Now I'm gonna go in with the NYX Bare With Me Prime Set and Refresh spray. Look like that. That was probably way too much, but I like the smell. Oh, smells good. I'm about to look matte and smell good, okay? And usually I would put a primer on after I pat that in my skin, but since this is like a prime and setting spray, I'm gonna just move on to the next step. I'm still trying to decide if I should do my eyebrows first or if I should just go in with my foundation. I'm gonna do my foundation. So I got the Fit Me from Maybelline. This is the matte poreless for normal to oily skin. I got the shade 330 Toffee. How do you say it? Toffee caramel. Let's zoom in on that. It's so cute. A funny story, I just bought all these products yesterday and my kids poured half this bottle all over my carpet. So I was supposed to do this video yesterday, but these kids don't listen. So okay, so I'm gonna just take that same beauty blender. It's clean, don't worry. And it sucks because it doesn't have like a pump or anything, so I'm gonna just get it from the lid right here because there's a lot like just hanging out right there. A good tip that I forgot, I already added the foundation on, but a good tip that I've learned is to wet your beauty blender. I don't have no water or anything, so I'm gonna just spray this on. Ooh, that looks nice. I like it. It looks good. This is my first time using the Fit Me. Sometimes I hate getting foundation from the drugstore because you can't try it on, even though I was trying it on anyways. Okay, I put on a very thin layer. If you want, you can go around again, but I like, you know, very simple, minimal. So eyebrows are like non-existent. So I'm gonna be using the Maybelline brow pencil, and this is in the color deep brown. I usually use the dark brown, but ever since I dyed my hair blonde, I don't know, it just seems like it looks better with the lighter color. So I mean, it's not that much lighter, but it does make a difference. So I like it because it has like the brush, the little bristle thingy, and then the crayon on the other side. So I'm gonna just outline these brows. I've been trying to grow them out, but I'm just so impatient. See how easy that was?
Are you doing your eyebrows?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
I'm showing you in the tutorial right now.
Oh.
Pay attention. Okay, and then I'm gonna just brush up. this way. You know what, with the full face, I think maybe the darker would be better, but we're gonna make this work. Do you see the difference? So I'm just brushing out the front of my eyebrow. I just don't want it to be as harsh. That's why I really like this little bristle. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with this NYX concealer, correct contour. I'm gonna use this concealer part. Just kind of clean up my eyebrows. Let me just get a little closer for you. I know it looks crazy right now, but I'm about to blend it out. Okay, we good there? Okay, now I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, now I'm just adding that same concealer under my eyes. I'll put a little here on my nose. Okay, now let's just blend that out. Okay, and then that same contour kit, getting the darkest brown, and this one right here. You see that? Not here. I look like a clown, but you'll see I'm gonna get it together. Then I'm gonna just blend it out. And you want to make sure that you're blending it really well, just so that you don't keep looking like a clown, because it's really gonna look too much if you don't blend it out. And again, this is my first time using these products, so we'll see. I'm gonna do that there, maybe a little under the double chin. So I learned it's like a 3, I think that's what it is. 1, 2, scratch that, sorry, I meant like look like a 3. So here, that makes sense. I'm also gonna get like my smaller brush and do my nose. That was way too much, and I shouldn't have done that, but now we're gonna be here all day trying to blend that in. With that contour palette, you don't need to, you know, dip it, just like lightly brush. And I can't believe I really put that much. So I'm just taking my foundation blender and trying to fix it because I put way too much. Okay, that don't look too bad. I just got a little concealer to help me clean it up. I forgot that I had this e.l.f. primer, but like I said, I used that NYX spray, which was a primer and a setting spray, so we're gonna have to save this for the next video. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this little palette. I don't even know. Okay, it's from Kai, I think that's how you say it, C-A-I. 30 matte and shimmer colors, and this is from Target, $10. I have used this one before, obviously. I'm gonna use All Mine. All Mine, it's like this magenta kind of color, and I'm gonna use that on my cheeks as like a blush. I'm gonna just get a little because it's really dark. So let's see how this come out. Why do I feel like I just wiped away the foundation or something? What the hell did I just do? We're gonna ignore that. Yeah, it looks fine on this side. I don't know what the hell happened. I'll put just a little on my nose too. It's not a highlighter. Still that same blush. You know what? This video is all over the place. I'm gonna get this bronzer, and it opens up like this with a little mirror inside. Oh, and then it has a little thingy to it. Use it. I'm not really sure what's going on here. That stuff real strong. I like it though. I think I thought it was gonna be more like shimmery, I guess, but this will do. Okay, so I probably should have used that bronzer before I put the blush on, but whatever. Let's just do something simple. Let's get this goldish, brownish, shimmery brown. I'm gonna call it that. Called Love Always. I'm gonna just cover my whole eye. Well, not my whole eye, but my lid, and then I'm gonna kind of go up. Like I said, I'm not a professional, but you know. So that was like the darker shimmery brown color, and then I'm gonna use a little bit of this one down here. It's called You're Hot, and it's kind of that same color, just a little bit lighter. It's more of a gold instead of a brown. So just right here in this corner. And then I'm gonna get this little blender. I'm gonna go in with this, spice it up. It's just a really darker brown. It's not shimmery or anything. So I'm gonna just do that in my crease. I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl. Can you see that? Anywho, CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. This was always my go-to before I started getting the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So if you want, you can leave it at that. You can see the difference already, but for me, I feel like if I'm doing a full face of makeup, I might as well put some lashes on, and so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so although that looks good, I am going to add my lashes. I'm gonna do my lashes, put on my falsies, and then I'm gonna do the bottom lashes. Sorry, I probably should clarify. I'm gonna put mascara on my bottom lashes after I put on my falsies, and I'm gonna be using the why can't I say this? You know what I'm talking about. The Jasmine Brown collection. I love her, so I always wanted to try these lashes. So let's get into it. Okay, so it comes with a little glue stick. So I'm just gonna get the lashes and put it at the lash line of the lashes. You put the lash glue on. See, it's on there real good. And then I'm gonna just let it dry for like 15 seconds. So I just have tweezers and I'm putting it at the edge or at the tip, and then I'm gonna just slap them things on there. Okay, so the right lash went on way smoother than the other lash did, so I just threw some Swap Meet lip gloss on. Now for the last step, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. So I'm gonna put some on my nose. Okay, I think oh wait, hold up. Okay, y'all, I think it came out pretty good. There was a couple of, you know, mishaps here and there, but other than that, I feel like it looks good. I'm gonna just take the NYX setting spray one more time and set it one last time.